There's a certain peace that only Vermont can offer, where rolling hills meet quiet woods, and every breeze carries the scent of pine. Welcome to your nature lover's retreat at Westminster West, a country contemporary home brimming with rustic charm, pond views, and timeless comfort. Once a beloved guest house to a neighboring estate, this character-filled multi-level residence now stands ready to welcome new memories. Inside, natural wood walls and floors create a warm, cabin-like embrace, while sunlight filters through large windows, illuminating every corner. With 4 intimate bedrooms and 2 full baths, the layout flows easily for both relaxation and entertaining. At the heart of the home, 3 stunning stone fireplaces bring a sense of Vermont heritage, each one anchoring its own living space with cozy, timeless beauty. The great room steals the show, with soaring windows that frame views of the surrounding forest and the tranquil pond nearby. It's a place made for quiet mornings with coffee in hand, or long evenings gathered around the fire as snow falls softly outside. Step outside onto the spacious deck, where you can breathe in the crisp mountain air, watch the changing colors of the seasons, or host summer gatherings surrounded by nature's soundtrack. For the adventurers at heart, nearby trails invite you to hike, bike, or cross-country ski through some of southern Vermont's most scenic landscapes. This home offers more than comfort. It's a feeling, a retreat where simplicity meets soul, where every detail invites you to slow down, unwind, and reconnect with what truly matters. Tucked along a shared private road, this property provides the perfect balance of seclusion and accessibility just minutes from Putney and Interstate 91. Whether you're seeking a peaceful weekend getaway or a year-round sanctuary, this Vermont gem promises both tranquility and timeless charm. Here, life moves at a gentler pace. Nature surrounds you, warmth fills the home, and every sunrise feels like a fresh beginning. Welcome home to Westminster West, your rustic retreat.